So have you been feeling any different, like more tired or anything like that?
I
No?
kind of. I don't know. I
Can't
haven't really noticed.
Yeah, it's too early to.
Mhm.
Oh, you just had to open it too. Are you gonna text somebody? No. So what did Herb say?
He's like, oh, okay.
He was telling us how he's starting a new job next week.
Yeah.
And then he didn't even look for it. They just called him up.
Mhm.
Yeah. Hi, Amy. He lives on the line. Well, the other good thing about October is then, like, it's not super hot yet, like when you're getting near the end. You know, by the time you're near the
Are you
last
walking
one.
and texting?
Can't decide, does he want to go after a cat?